Creating clothes, home decor, and custom projects becomes easier with the right machine. Best computerized sewing machines combine precision, convenience, and advanced features to handle everything from basic stitching to decorative designs, helping you sew faster, cleaner, and with greater confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Poolin EOCO2 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Poolin EOCO2 Computerized Sewing Machine is a feature-rich option designed for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced sewists who want flexibility without a steep learning curve. One of its biggest strengths is the impressive selection of 200 built-in stitches, which includes utility stitches, decorative patterns, and alphanumeric options for personalized projects. The LCD screen clearly displays stitch selections and settings, making it easy to navigate through the machine's capabilities and choose the right stitch for each project. Versatility is another standout feature of the EOCO2. It comes equipped with 7 presser feet that support a wide range of sewing applications, from everyday garment repairs to decorative sewing and creative crafting. The machine is designed to handle numerous fabric types, including delicate materials such as satin, silk, organza, and taffeta, as well as stretch fabrics like jersey, lycra, and spandex. This broad compatibility makes it suitable for fashion sewing, costume making, home decor projects, and more. Convenience features help streamline the sewing process. The automatic needle threader reduces setup time, while the speed control slider allows users to sew at a comfortable pace. The Start-Stop button enables foot-free operation. Number 4. Brother SE 1900 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Brother SE 1900 Computerized Sewing Machine is a powerful combination sewing and embroidery machine that appeals to creative users who want professional-looking results from a single device. Combining advanced sewing functions with robust embroidery capabilities, this machine is ideal for crafters, quilters, small business owners, and anyone interested in customizing garments and accessories. One of the most impressive aspects of the SE 1900 is its embroidery functionality. The machine includes 138 built-in embroidery designs and 11 embroidery fonts, making it easy to create monograms, decorative accents, and personalized gifts. The generous 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field provides enough space for larger designs while reducing the need for constant repositioning. Included hoops and accessories help users get started right away. For sewing projects, the machine offers 240 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, heirloom, and quilting stitches. 10 styles of automatic buttonholes provide professional-looking results with minimal effort. Whether you're sewing clothing, home decor items, quilts, or crafts, the extensive stitch library provides plenty of creative possibilities. Number 3. Singer Quilting Computerized Sewing Machine. The Singer Quilting Computerized Sewing Machine is designed for sewists who want extensive creative control and a machine capable of handling everything from everyday repairs to advanced quilting projects. With more than 1,000 stitch applications available, this machine offers remarkable flexibility for fashion sewing, quilting, home decor creation, and decorative embellishment. The broad stitch selection includes basic stitches, stretch stitches, quilting patterns, and decorative designs that allow users to customize virtually any project. One of the machine's most valuable features is its ability to save customized stitch sequences. With 60 memory slots available, users can store frequently used stitch combinations for quick access later. This feature is especially useful for quilters and frequent creators who rely on specific stitch patterns throughout multiple projects. The large color LCD touchscreen enhances the overall user experience. It displays stitch previews in actual size, making stitch selection easier and more accurate. The screen also provides tutorials and guidance for threading, bobbin setup, and other common tasks, helping newer users learn the machine more quickly. Stitch length and width can be adjusted directly through the interface, allowing for precise customization. Number 2. Poolin EOC07 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Poolin EOC07 Computerized Sewing Machine is an advanced embroidery-focused machine designed for serious hobbyists, custom apparel creators, and small business owners who need larger embroidery capabilities and efficient workflow management. Unlike standard sewing machines, the EOC07 is built with productivity and customization in mind, offering expansive embroidery areas that allow users to create professional-quality designs on a wide variety of items. Whether you're decorating t-shirts, hoodies, bags, pillowcases, towels, or other fabric products, this machine provides the flexibility needed to handle both personal and commercial projects. One of the biggest highlights of the EOC07 is its generous embroidery area support. With multiple hoop sizes included, users can work on designs up to 11 by 7.9 inches, significantly reducing the need for rehooping larger projects. This larger workspace not only saves time but also improves accuracy when creating detailed designs. The machine's capability to handle large embroidery patterns makes it especially appealing for custom orders and business applications where efficiency is important.
Number 1. Singer Quantum Computerized Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Computerized Sewing Machine, also known as the Quantum Stylist 9960, is a premium sewing machine that combines versatility, convenience, and advanced customization features into one comprehensive package. Designed for sewists of all skill levels, this machine offers an impressive range of functions that make it suitable for garment construction, quilting, home decor projects, fashion design, and creative crafting. Its extensive stitch library and thoughtful automation features help users achieve professional-looking results while minimizing setup time and frustration. One of the machine's most impressive features is its extensive stitch selection. With 600 built-in stitches and more than 1,172 stitch applications, users have access to an enormous variety of decorative, utility, stretch, and quilting stitches. Creative features such as mirror imaging and stitch elongation allow users to customize designs and create unique decorative effects that add personality to projects. Whether sewing a simple hem or designing intricate embellishments, the Quantum Stylist provides the flexibility needed for virtually any sewing task. Convenience is a major focus of the machine's design. The automatic needle threader quickly threads the needle in seconds, reducing one of the most common frustrations associated with sewing. The transparent top drop-in bobbin system makes it easy to monitor thread supply and helps prevent unexpected interruptions during projects. These time-saving features contribute to a smoother and more enjoyable sewing experience. That wraps up our picks for the best computerized sewing machines. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, each option offers features designed to make sewing more efficient and enjoyable. Choose the one that fits your needs, budget, and creative goals, and start bringing your projects to life with confidence.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.